I'll Be Dipped has been serving sweet treats to our community for the past 5 years. If we can dip it in chocolate, it can be made into something special for you. Voted Best of the Main Line and Talk of the Town, we certainly know our way around chocolate. With over 50 handmade candies, you will surely find something you'll love. Want a unique gift for that special someone? Our chocolatiers can customize a personalized treat just for you. No job too big or too small, we do it all. Made-to-order trays of our confections are available for any occasion. Everyone loves a buffet, even more so when it's a candy buffet. Our custom candy buffets are the perfect addition to any party or wedding. Speaking of weddings, invite I'll Be Dipped to your special day. Bride and groom candies make a sentimental favor with great flavor. Weddings, birthdays, holidays, any celebration is always better with I'll Be Dipped. We also carry select famous chocolate brands that are sure to please. Open 7 days a week, we are dedicated to providing you with a quality product. Coming soon in May, delicious ice cream sure to scoop you off your feet. So come on by and try out some of our sweet treats today.